what it is. Good morning, everyone. It is 10:12 in the morning, and we're ready to go flying. Welcome back to my channel, Skywalker RC. Oh my God, I know you heard that guy beat me. I'm driving slow because I got my jet in the back, and no one really likes it, but I don't really care what they like because I gotta go flying. We're gonna go to Delray Beach Flying Field today because there's wind everywhere. It's crazy. I'm hoping the more west I go.
Turn right onto North Military.
Yes, thank you. I feel like the more west I go, the better it'll be for the wind. So it should be good. I'm getting this vlog stick in the mail for the camera, so we'll see how that goes. And I'm trying to get more planes.
At the light, use the right 2 lanes to turn onto North Military Trail.
Trying to get more planes. There's just so much money, everybody. There's just so much money.
In half a mile, turn left onto West Yamato Road.
Alright. Do I really want to blow my money on planes? But yeah, we're gonna go flying today, and it's gonna be a good day.
At the left West Yamato Road.
Alright, here we are, everybody, at this park. A little windy over here. Alright, well, we're gonna fly and we're gonna get going. Look at this. Alright, guys,